Next, we can go on to our maintenance module. First, we have all of our work request. In case of any unplanned breakdown, the operator of the asset can file a work request. You can pick the asset from the asset list for the work request or scan the barcode for the biolink. And in addition, you can attach an image that you take as a reference for the maintenance team. Here are some of the previous work requests that we have. If you need to add a new work request, the easiest and quickest way to do this is by going up here to Fast Request. We can choose the priority of the assets, if it's an emergency, if it's a low priority, or if it's normal, and we can choose the asset right here. And we can also choose the work type that's required. Let's say it's a mechanical issue. And we can also choose the maintenance/failure code. In this case, if it's a mechanical failure, we could add that right here. And we could also put some description here, for example. Generator needs mechanical fix, and you can simply go ahead and save. Here is our work request. And once all our work requests are done, they will be sent to the work order pool. So they will be pulled to the work order pool pretty much automatically. Here's where you can schedule the start and end date for your work. This is the work request that we sent out. This is information for our work order. For example, we have the work order kind. It was a failure maintenance. And we also have the asset code as well as the department and some other related information about the specific asset. Here is the description that we added before. We also have the informed date, the planned start date for the work, and the end plan date. On the left, we have used materials, as well as the work steps that are going to be involved. And we can also attach any other documents. Lastly, we have the cost that's required. And here is where we have some of the labor costs, the material cost, and the service cost. Up here, as you can see, we have the status of this specific asset and the work order state. This is an ongoing work order. When the order is closed, it will be shown up here. In this particular module, we have the preventive maintenance. Here you can schedule the preventive maintenance for your asset after a certain time frame, at a certain time, or depending on a value captured from your IoT devices. So for example, we have this one right here. We have the basic information for these preventive definitions. We have the asset as well as the maintenance/failure code. And we also have the work order information and materials. We can also see any attached documents. Next, we have also some reports available to you. For example, we have some cost reports. We have maintenance cost reports as well as a material usage report.